Hello everyone, I am Dr. Vichitra Sharma. We celebrate World Vitiligo Day on 25th June every year. I want to talk about vitiligo, the myths and facts regarding vitiligo, and some stigma associated with it. So what is vitiligo? Vitiligo is a chronic skin condition in which there are loss of pigment in the skin and which causes white patches on the skin. Who can get vitiligo? Vitiligo can affect anyone regardless of their age, gender and ethnicity, and it can affect any part of the body, face, arms, legs, even hair, scalp, and even inside the mouth and genitalia. So is it vitiligo contagious? Vitiligo is not contagious. Vitiligo doesn't spread when you touch someone, eat with someone, sit with someone and talk to someone who has vitiligo. So another question that we get is what causes vitiligo? Vitiligo is mostly an autoimmune condition where there are antibodies inside your body which attack the color producing cells which are called as melanocytes, and they get destroyed, and which results in white patches on the skin. And some part of vitiligo, some percentage of vitiligo is also hereditary. So another question that we get is there is a myth that what if I eat fish and milk together, will I get vitiligo? Or if I eat too much of white food, will I get vitiligo? This is a complete myth. You cannot get vitiligo if you eat white foods or if you eat fish and milk together. It is a wrong perception, and vitiligo doesn't happen like that. The second question that we get is vitiligo life threatening? Vitiligo is not life threatening. Vitiligo does not have any systemic effects. It's just that there are some white patches over your skin which can increase in size or number, but it is not a life threatening condition. Is vitiligo curable? We often get this question asked if vitiligo is curable, but the answer to this question is that vitiligo is not curable, but it is treatable. We can use medicines and some creams and light therapy to treat vitiligo and restore the normal skin color. But if you take a shorter course, if you expect that I take a shorter course of this medicine and I will not get vitiligo, I'll be cured of vitiligo, this is not true. You need to follow with your doctor regularly, and vitiligo can be controlled. Coming to the treatment part of vitiligo, vitiligo can be treated with different modalities. We can use, if the vitiligo is stable and it's not, the body surface area involved is not a lot, and we have a limited number of patches and it's not progressing, then we can use topical creams, medicines to apply. If the body surface area is a lot, then we can give the patient some oral medications to take. Other than that, we can use light therapy, surgery if the vitiligo is stable, and camouflage therapy. The camouflage therapy means that we can tattoo or color the area to match the skin tone. Then we want to talk about stigma associated with vitiligo. Vitiligo has been associated with a lot of stigma, that it is a sin of your bad karma and sin in the past lives. It's not like that. Vitiligo is just a skin condition, and we should not discriminate people who have vitiligo. On this World Vitiligo Day, we want to spread awareness, educate the people, and let them know that vitiligo is just a skin condition, and people who have vitiligo can lead a fairly normal, fulfilling and successful life regardless of their skin condition. Thank you.